Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magdinilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate Pentecost Sunday, commonly considered the birthday of the Church. Ipinagdiriwang natin ang pagbaba ng Espiritu Santo sa mga apostol. Ang konteksto ay sila ay takot, nakakulong at nagdadalawang isip. However, after receiving the Holy Spirit, the frightened apostles suddenly gained courage, strength, and hope. Ang mga dating tahimik ay naging matapang na saksi ni Kristo. In the Gospel, we heard Jesus appearing to His apostles who had locked themselves away for fear of suffering the same fate as their Master. He greeted them with peace and breathed the Spirit into them, saying, "Receive the Holy Spirit." This is not merely the wind that Jesus gave. This is life. This is strength. This is a new beginning. The gift of the Holy Spirit is both a consolation and a challenge. Sa ating bansa ngayon, marami sa atin ang pagod na sa korupsyon, fake news, away sa politika, mataas na bilihin, kawalan ng trabaho, at minsan away sa loob ng pamilya. Ang daming nawawalan na ng pag-asa. Marami din mga kabataan ang tahimik pero nababalot ng anxiety at takot sa hinaharap. Yet in all this, Pentecost reminds us of the truth that God has never abandoned us. Ang Espiritu Santo ay buhay at patuloy na kumikilos sa atin at sa pamamagitan natin. The first reading amazes us. Despite of having different languages, the people understand each other. Nakakalungkot lang na sa panahon natin ay magkaparehas tayo ng language, pero hindi tayo magkaintindihan. Ang social media ay naging lugar kung saan umiiral ang galit at paninira. Minsan, mas mabilis pa tayong mag-share ng fake news at chismis kaysa sa good news at kabutihan. However, let us not forget that the presence of the Holy Spirit unites us and sends us to share the good news. This is the point of St. Paul in our second reading. He tells us that we have received different gifts but the same Spirit. Magkakaiba man ng talento at opinyon, hindi dapat tayo nagkakawatak-watak. This is the beauty of our church, which is united in diversity. Brothers and sisters, more than ever, we need the fire of the Spirit. The Holy Spirit invites and sends us to become men and women who have the courage to stand up for the truth, love even when it is difficult, and bring hope in darkness and brokenness. We say, "Come, Holy Spirit, heal our land, renew our families, and transform our hearts." Muli, isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.